will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
And just like that, guys, the slab is done. This is 24 feet by 3 feet. Yoink. Not a terrible process, especially when you have some help with it. Ignore all of this. That'll be an upcoming video that you're going to see here on the channel shortly. For any questions you guys have, feel free to put them down in the comments. You know we answer them all. Thank you guys for watching as always, and we'll see you in the next one.